friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between all these 6 smartphones, friends. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of biggest display comparison review. So previously I did with the 2 phones and 3 phones and 4 phones, but now I decided to do all the 6 different smartphones at same time, and so that you can understand exactly which display is better from different viewing angles. So right now you can see, friends, I am playing the same video in all the 6 different smartphones. So first on the top I got the Samsung Galaxy M31 device, and Honor 9X, and the POCO X2, and Redmi Note 8 Pro, and the Realme X2 and the Realme X device. As you can see, friends, right now, so Samsung M31 has the AMOLED Super AMOLED panel, and Honor 9X LTPS IPS LCD panel, and IPS LCD panel and same kind of panel is present in the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well, and the Realme X2 has the Super AMOLED panel and same thing with the Realme X as well, friends. And all the 6 smartphones are right now playing the same video, as you can see, friends. And let me move the mobile in different angles. So you can see, friends, from this angle which device looks better. So you can observe some kind of bluish thing is happening in the Honor 9X device, friends. So which I noticed just now while recording this video from this kind of angle which is present in the Honor 9X device. So you can see Samsung Galaxy M31 is very dark saturated colors. So from the top view you can clearly observe the difference of the skin of here and even on the sides as well, skin tone, how they look. So as you can see, friends, I'm using with the full brightness in all the 6 smartphones right now. And out of the 6 smartphones, friend, the Samsung Galaxy M31 looks a little bit of more brighter when compared with other smartphones. And clearly the Super AMOLED panel smartphones wins in this display comparison test. So in all my display comparison videos, friends, I'll be playing the same video in all the smartphones to provide the same kind of result. So overall, friends, even if you're looking to buy the POCO X2 as well, still the mobile is pretty good because it has got few settings where you can change the colors of the video. So which I did in another video, friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And it has also got the 120Hz refresh rate, and this is the only smartphone right now here which has a 120Hz refresh rate display, and at this price range, because all these 6 smartphones are priced at same price range. So that's why I just considered only the 6 different smartphones. I did not even use the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, because those are at the high range mobile phones. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do comment below, friends. See you in the next video. And then stay tuned. Bye.